left arm. Flag salute.
Usual protocol. Short notes from 11th distinction.
All is morning to all. I am Shanmugh Priyadashini from class 11th distinction. Today's short notes. Parental guidance. Parental guidance is crucial for children's development and well-being. It provides self-esteem and shaping their values and morals. By being involved in their children's life, parents can offer guidance and support and encouragement. Ultimately, parental guidance plays a vital role in shaping next generation future. Thank you.
Amazing facts from 9th victory.
Marvelous morning to all. My name is Joy Gianna from 9th Victory. Today's amazing fact: space. Space is completely silent because there is no air to carry sound, and footprints on the moon will last for millions of years. Thank you.
Short subject from 8th triumph.
Marvelous morning to all. I am Endev from 8th Triumph. Today's short subject: healthy food. Healthy food is good for our health. It gives us energy to work. Fruits and vegetables are very healthy. Vitamins protect us from diseases. We should eat fresh homemade foods. Junk food is bad for health. Good food keeps us always happy. Thank you.
Hall of Fame from 7th Pacific.
Good morning to all. My name is Nindisha. I am studying 7th Pacific. Hall of Fame: Isaac Newton, a mathematician and physicist who formulated the laws of motion and discovered universal gravitation and independently developed calculus. Thank you.
Today's newspaper reading from 6th King David.
Good morning to all. I am Mahima from 6th King David. Today's news, international news. Venezuela earthquake. The death toll in Venezuela has surpassed 1,400 following a massive earthquake. Rescue efforts are severely overwhelmed and marchers are struggling to respond in Caracas. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's diplomatic visit to Seychelles at a major security bust in Mumbai. State news. The state government has officially launched the Pulse Polio Immunization campaign and announced plans to promote e-cooking in commercial kitchens to boost sustainability. Sports news. Women's T20 World Cup 2026. Australia advanced to the semi-finals unbeaten and ensure South Africa will join them after defeating India at Lord's. Thank you.
Spoken Hindi from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. My name is Tanmay. I am studying 5th standard APJ Kalam. Spoken Hindi. आप कितने बजे स्कूल जाते हो? What time do you go to school? Thank you.
Tirukural and meanings from 4th Europe.
Good morning to all. My name is Beryl. I am studying the 4th standard Europe. திருக்குறள் and meaning. திருக்குறள் அன்பு மரணம் உடைத்தாயின் இல்வாழ்க்கை பண்பும் பயனும் அது. Meaning is love and be true in the household rhyme. Thesis of life. The productive grass and kind. Thank you.
English proverbs and meanings from the diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Sandhari. I am studying third standard diamond. Proverbs and meanings. Proverb: practice makes perfect. Meaning: repeated practice improves skill. Thank you.
Continent, country, capital, currency and flag from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Salma Rutushi. I am studying class 1st America. 2nd Jupiter. Continent Asia. Country Bangladesh. Capital Dhaka. Currency Taka. Thank you.
State, capital and language from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Bulas Kasti. I am studying 1st standard America State, Bihar. Capital Patna. Language Hindi. Thank you.
Flashcard of the day from UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Kritik Pranav. I am studying UKG Penguin. Body parts of a watermelon. Skin, seeds. Thank you.
Thought of the day. Monday is the day that opens up the week for many opportunities. Repeat after me. Monday is the day that opens up the week for many opportunities. Monday is the day that opens up the week for many opportunities. Principal sentence.
Marvelous morning to all. Hope you all had a very refreshing weekend. Had you? Okay, so this week we'll be working 6 days a week. How many days a week? 6 days. So last week most of you worked only 4 days a week, isn't it so? Okay, so yesterday itself most of you might have counted the days on the calendar. Oh my God, this week we'll have to work how many days a week? Yeah, so today I want to give you a very powerful thought. Listen very carefully. What was our thought last week? Do you remember? I appreciated you for shining light. Yes, so this week I want to give you a powerful thought. Don't count the days, make the days count. Don't count the days, make the days. Can you tell the meaning of don't count the days? That is crystal clear, understood. But what is the meaning of make the days count? Make the days count means every Monday, teachers and students are full of motivation. Full of why? Because Monday is the first day of the week. And when Tuesday comes, the motivation level reduces to 10%. But when it reaches Saturday, motivation level becomes absolute zero in terms of science. And people are just looking forward for Sunday. So make the days count means make every day matter. Make every day? That means make the best use of every single day. What is the meaning of that? So there are so many toppers in each and every class. You all are in the same class, learning the same books from the same teachers. Isn't it so? So what could be the difference? You always remember one thing. Winners don't do different things. Winners don't do. They do things differently. They do things differently. Consistency is the key to success. What do you mean by consistency? Consistency means every day. Consistency means every day. You can see so many advertisements on TV, nowadays on cell phone. What does it say? If you apply one serum, your color changes from this to that. That is not possible. Why? Because it cannot happen in one single day. If you maintain cleanliness on a very regular basis, you can see much more difference in your skin tone. The same way, if you want to become an academic topper, if you want to excel in sports or any other area, consistency is the key. That means every day matters. Maintain a steady timetable regularly. Do your homework first, then go for additional subjects. Additional subjects means every day you should be covering one subject at home, even if it is not a part of your homework. Understood, ma? That is the only way you can excel in academics. Some days there will be only 3 homeworks. Some day it will be 5. So your study time has nothing to do with the number of homework. It should be consistent. If it is consistent, then what happens? Definitely you can excel in your studies. Okay. So make the days count. That means every day should be Monday. Every day should be from Monday to Saturday. Only the days change, but the same motivation, the same freshness, the same interest you should have in your studies every single day. So repeat the thought after me. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Thank you. Have a productive and blessed week ahead.